Hello, and welcome to the video overview of Hierarchy Management feature of TIBCO MDM. By the end of this overview, you'll be familiar with the core concepts and capabilities of hierarchy management in TIBCO MDM. You will know more about the concepts such as master data management, data models, and understand how they work together in the hierarchy management feature. You'll see how hierarchical data can be categorized or extended to many static and dynamic hierarchies for visualization and analytics. Let's consider a scenario where a retailer builds the product's hierarchy from business, deploys it into TIBCO MDM, and keeps enhancing it based on the business. A retailer can have some common hierarchies, such as the product categorization. With hierarchies, you can view business information, its scope, and distribution of records in a graphical tree structure. Nodes represent the record's attribute data, and edges represent the logical categorization of records in the respective domain or subdomain. Managing and presenting this hierarchical data about the records is key for each business and a core aspect of master data management. A comprehensive hierarchy model is characterized by flexible modeling that supports a complex variety of structures across multiple domains, data stewardship that controls the access to hierarchies, and data governance that handles changes to hierarchies, both from a structural and data quality perspective, and maintains version history. You can use the hierarchy editor to manage and present master data hierarchies. Subject matter experts of the hierarchy management can handle and assign roles. With the easy-to-use interface, you can create, manage, and import hierarchies with a few clicks. You can also see an informative version history of these hierarchies. This will help you keep a track of changes. You can work with two types of hierarchies in TIBCO MDM: manual hierarchies and automatic hierarchies. Manual hierarchies are user-focused and provide entire control to the user. You can create manual hierarchies when you have a small set of data, which is easy to organize and maintain. Automatic hierarchies are created for large volumes of data. You can define the abstract structure of an automatic hierarchy in which the levels and nodes of the hierarchy are controlled by the records in repositories. Now, let's look at what actions you can perform as a user on the hierarchies page. Ensure that you have resource security permissions to perform the actions available on the hierarchies page. These actions are restricted by the access control list defined in the resource security. You can use the Create New option to create manual and automatic hierarchies. You can import manual hierarchies from a JSON file as well. If you want to update hierarchies, you can easily modify them in the hierarchy editor. Once the hierarchies are modified, you can save the changes and also submit the hierarchy to initiate the hierarchy workflow and send it to an administrator for review. Automatic hierarchies are automatically updated as a part of various record operations. Note that you cannot edit automatic hierarchies after they are published. The values of attributes are changed, associated, or mapped to the various levels in the hierarchy. Since TIBCO MDM has a collaborative environment, and multiple users can work on the same hierarchy, the hierarchy work item is generated for the actions that you perform on a hierarchy only if the hierarchy approval business process rules are set. Handling data governance varies for manual and automatic hierarchies. For hierarchies, admins must govern the changes made to the hierarchies by accepting or rejecting work items. Admins need to review the definition of hierarchies before accepting or rejecting the changes. Manual hierarchies can be sent for correction. The hierarchy work item is generated for automatic hierarchies as well. However, automatic hierarchies need to be redefined if the associated work item is rejected. Also, data governance does not apply to the linkages of automatic hierarchies. After the hierarchy is approved, you can link TIBCO MDM records to the hierarchy to achieve the required business motive, such as categorization or reporting. You can also use one or more hierarchies to link records from one or more repositories. You can then export a hierarchy from the hierarchies page, from the hierarchy viewer, or from the version history page. The hierarchy is exported to a file in JSON format. This is how business users can use the hierarchy management feature in TIBCO MDM to manage and present their business hierarchical data, which is a key to each business and a core aspect of master data management. To know more about how to perform each of these tasks, refer to the TIBCO MDM User's Guide on the TIBCO product documentation site. Thanks for watching.